Sherry and I met at UCO. She graduated from UCO and then came back after she had children, and just so happened to come back at the same time I was coming back. We were in a lot of classes together in the interior design. Sherry Beasley is a superstar. She can do absolutely anything. She is brilliant, she's beautiful, she's athletic. When she graduated, she started her own design company and is just gone gangbusters. She just does wonderfully. She's been doing a lot of charity work. Sherry and I were co-chairs just this last spring for Music in the Metro, which helps the ACM down at Bricktown. Sherry Beasley is the perfect person to be honored as a distinguished alumni. She is everything that you would want a student to be. She's a fabulous role model. She has started her business, she's been successful, she's raised a successful family, so she totally fits the profile of the best that can happen from UCO.